Actor Siddhant Chaturvedi on Thursday shared a throwback video on Instagram of the time he won a national talent hunt and celebrated it with a guest of the show, Sushant Singh Rajput. In the video, Siddhant and Sushant can be seen dancing their heart out on Agnipath's Chikni Chameli song. The Gully Boy actor also revealed that how Sushant made his win special, and it was this day in his life that he got permission from his parents to become an actor. सिद्धांत wrote, कॉलेज में था, बीकॉम के साथ साथ द यूजुअल कॉम्बो सीए कर रहा था. एक नेशनल टैलेंट हंट में पार्ट लिया, जीता मैं, नाचे हम दोनों. मेरा कॉन्फिडेंस उसके बाद. उस रात सोई नहीं मैं और मेरा परिवार. मेरा नाम गूंजा था स्टेज पे, वो भी सुशांत सिंह राजपूत की आवाज में. मम्मी पापा को लगा कि कुछ तो बात होगी मुझ में भी. सीए छोड़ो बेटा, हीरो बनते हैं. परमिशन मिल गई. आजकल भी नींद नहीं आती. ये वीडियो 1000 बार देखा है. सोचा शेयर करूं या नहीं. फिर सोचा दोनों भाई तोड़ के नाचे हैं, शेयर करना तो बनता है गुरु. Sushant Singh Rajput passed away on June 14. On the same day, Siddhant had shared a photograph from the competition where he is seen posing with Sushant and Jacqueline. Before taking a break for medical treatment, actor Sanjay Dutt plans to wrap up the dubbing work of his upcoming film Sadak 2. Sanjay will complete the last leg of dubbing for his film Sadak 2 by next week before going on a medical break. He is overwhelmed with the outpouring of love coming his way ever since the news of his illness came out. This support is motivating him even more to give his fans his best through his work, said a source close to the actor and movie. On August 11, Dutt, who was hospitalized last weekend due to breathing problem and chest discomfort, shared that he is taking a break for medical treatment. Although the actor or his family members haven't revealed anything officially, industry insider Komal Nahata wrote on his verified Twitter account, Sanjay Dutt diagnosed with lung cancer, let's pray for his speedy recovery. Ever since the news of his health came out, there has been outpouring of love and well wishes from colleagues, fans and admirers. Sadak 2 marks the return of Mahesh Bhatt as director after 2 decades. The film stars his daughters Alia and Pooja Bhatt along with Sanjay Dutt and Aditya Roy Kapoor. Sadak 2 is a sequel of 1991 hit Sadak starring Sanjay Dutt and Pooja Bhatt. The trailer of Sadak 2 has been facing social media ire and garnered more than 8 million dislikes in less than a day being launched on YouTube. Amid all the negativity, the actress shared the first look of the song Tumse Hi on her Instagram stories. In the photo, Alia and Aditya can be seen sharing a passionate kiss. Sadak 2 marks the return of Mahesh Bhatt as director after 2 decades. The film stars his daughters Alia and Pooja Bhatt along with Sanjay Dutt and Aditya Roy Kapoor. Sadak 2 is a sequel of the 1991 hit Sadak starring Sanjay Dutt and Pooja Bhatt. Amid the ongoing coronavirus pandemic, the film is skipping the traditional theatrical route and going for a digital release. The film is slated on August 28 on Disney Plus Hotstar VIP. Actress Karisma Kapoor on Friday brought back some 90s nostalgia, sharing a throwback picture with Aamir Khan, her co-star in Raja Hindustani. Taking to her Instagram, Karisma posted an image in which she and Aamir are seen posing for the camera. She also asked her followers to guess the film from the image. Fans flooded her page with the reply, Raja Hindustani. Actress Bhumi Pednekar too responded on Karisma's post. She wrote, I had the same dress then, the famous Raja Hindustani Red Mini. On the work front, Karisma recently made her web debut with Ekta Kapoor's digital show Mentalhood. Actor Vikrant Messi will be sharing space with actress Kriti Kharbanda in a quirky contemporary social comedy which will hit the screens on July 9 next year. The movie titled Chauda Fere is directed by Chintu Ka Birthday co-director Devanshu Singh. Announcing the film on Instagram, Vikrant wrote, इस बार double madness and celebrations, साथ नहीं होंगे 14 फेरे. We cordially invite you परिवार सहित for our 14 फेरे. Kriti too took to social media to share the news. The film is scheduled to go on floor soon. Actor Sonu Sood is being hailed as messiah of migrants lately due to his efforts in helping them reach home during the pandemic-induced lockdown. Recently, Sonu was snapped outside a clinic in Andheri. The actor was seen wearing grey pants and army print t-shirt. Actress Shamita Shetty too was snapped outside a salon in town. The actress looked gorgeous in pink top and cargo pants. Bollywood actress Kareena Kapoor Khan and her husband Saif recently announced that they are expecting an addition to their family. The actress has now shared a selfie on Instagram. She wrote, "Another day, another shoot, and well, another one of my favorite selfies." Saif and Kareena tied the note on October 16, 2012. The couple have a son, Taimur, who was born on December 28, 2016.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.